Good morning, everyone. I am Oli from Fishing Sport Review. Today, we're just coming to Port of Brisbane. Due to weather condition, cannot go shore, so we will be at 1.6, 1.8 in some places. So, just coming to Port of Brisbane this morning. It looked quiet around here, so I just entered the boat run right now. So there was already a few guys at the sailboat. So it looked amazing. It's a little bit raining, but not too bad. It's not windy at all or nothing like that, so it will be good. So there is a lot of people already here at the run. Yeah, most than I expected. So let's pack up, set it out, everything. I will show you a quick video what's going on here. All right. So we're already here in Port of Brisbane. It looked amazing this morning. Yeah, there's a lot of people coming out, a lot of people going. There is a lot of people right here, over there. Yeah, like I say, it was a little bit raining, but right now it's set it up. And it's beautiful, it's calm, it's nice. No windy, nothing. Check it out. So yeah, today I want to go to Moreton Island just in some sports macro, but let's see what's going on in the exit. So if it's no windy or nothing like that, it should be a good time for go down there. Otherwise, so we got to stay around and messing with any fish. I will try to explore a new place today and see what's going on. Is this a good place for fishing or no? So I will let you know after. So let me set it out. So legends, we are out the run already. So check it out, how beautiful. This is amazing. It's beautiful day. Just the weather say it will be no windy at all, or just a little bit windy, like 10K or something like that. So it will be good. It's not good for the shore because, like what I say, wave will be a little bit higher. Do all the storm we had before and all the rain. But it's beautiful on the bay, so let's try to catch some fish. Check it out. We are in a high tide now. It's very high tide. See how close is my roof from the bridge. Yeah, so it's a high tide now. So that's perfect. Hopefully, this is the spot that I want to show you quick. All right. So you're coming out of the boat run. This is the bridge. This corner here. Right, so when you're coming out in the right hand side, this corner here, legends, is good spot. It's very nice for Tyler, Viewfish, Moses, Brain, etc. So, but now, this is something important about this spot. You can only come in here with the hard tide. You cannot come in here with the tide start go down. Why? because the current will taking you into the bridge, down the bridge. That is why you need to coming out and it's taking here when the tides go up. That way, just the current is going to throw you to the bay, no under the bridge. So check it out when you can. You have a small boat or whatever it is. Sometimes this is a big boat and it's just sometimes I just anchor down there and that's it, and spend the time over there. So let's see how it's going outside the bay. Okay, so we are on the last yellow bacon in Port Brisbane, right? So because the tide is out, I will do just a quick stop here and see if we can catch some javelin or you probably. So we check it out now and I will just spend maybe half an hour here because it's look amazing and you need to take advantage or whatever the condition they are. So this is a beautiful spot. I will just show you. This is the last one yellow bacon out of Port Brisbane, just in front of Mud Island. I want to just test the reef that I was talking before over there, and last weekend didn't nothing because the weather condition was terrible. So let's see if we can get something here and then we just move to another place over there. So we got the fresh fish of the day and it's like this. Just a little snapper. It was the fresh one today. Take it out. And it is already midday. So 5 hours to catch this little snapper. Check it out, beauty. Oop. Come out, Mike, come out. Oh, come out, buddy. Check it out. Just the little snapper. 5 hours to catch this one. This is what is the fish. Fishing, sorry. Well, let's do another cast and see what's going on. It should be the tide start go out maybe half an hour, I think so. So when the tide start go up, the current will change and that's when it's really good this spot here. So right now, so far, it was only one little snapper. So I'm not going to give up. I will keep going to see what's going on at the day. Well, one more. Just a little snappita here. Yeah, it's a little small snapper here. Oh, it's a Tyler. It's a little one, Tyler. So is this a little one? It should be some big one somewhere. All right, so it's a little Tyler. So I will keep it alive and I will throw it with the big reel. That's a live bait. Okay guys, So if you remember the Tyler I caught a few minutes ago, well, I throw it and I got a fish. Probably a char, but it's a good one fish. Yeah, somebody told me if you want big fish, you need big bait. It's probably a char. But whatever it is, it's a fish. And it's pulling so hard. Broken the line. Well, that was a good fish. It was probably a char, or I don't know, but it was a good one, big one. It's hit a Tyler like this. It's a big one Tyler, and he hit it. It was sitting on the bottom, one coming up. It was just the first, still was around, but never go up. So that is why I think maybe it's not a char. And then go deeper down the boat and sitting over there. There is a huge stingray around here. Big stingrays around here. And they pulling like this, so it will probably one of them. However, let's keep doing. So we got another fish. And this is not a ray. It's a small one, maybe another Tyler. Or maybe an ugly one. I don't really know what is the name of this little thing. They are really ugly, check it out. I'm not gonna eat it anyway, so let's release this. Fish is a fish, guys. So let's get another one. And then we got another fish here. This is a junior rod. It's very small, and this is a very big fish for this rod. Let me not put in too much pressure. Oh my God. Ah. No, 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 no. It's very small rod. It's really very small rod. And only 8-pound line, monoline. So any medium fish will be going. Oh, it's another right, little one. Oh, you can go now, Mike. You can go, Mike, you can go. Like what I say, there is many things right here in this spot here. Let me show you. It's a little one. Yeah, it's just a little one, but there is many of them here. So let's release this one, guys. And it's still really quiet, beautiful day. So let's release this one and keep fishing. Okay, it's gone now. But it's a beautiful fish. Fish is a fish, and it is what it is. So let's keep trying something different. I know when I broke my rope. That's a good fight. Okay, so let me put in a little bit more pressure, and well, it's gone, it's gone. Oh, come on, Mike. I am so scared, he can block my road. Ah! 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 Woo! Oh, it wasn't too much we can do. It was one of the best fight ever. Check it out, guys. This is check. This is the side. It's so small. So here is it's the raptor. Let me see. The Prince Raptor. This is amazing. And the really and the road is the same. The speed is 35 kilogram. That's it. This little one, so this little thing holding this huge stingray for a long time. Check it out. It only cost me maybe 50-60 bucks. 6 pound lane. That's it. Well, it was all for today. That's all for today. I'm tired, it's a little bit late, have a lot of fun. Don't catch any good fish in order to take it home. Oh, the sun is terrible. Don't catch any good fish to take it home, but we have a lot of fun coming out and do what I love. So this is another adventure with Fishing Sport Review. So thank you very much for following us, and thank you very much for watching our videos. And so I will see you in the next time.